Good morning and welcome to the log yard here at the workshop at the gardens. Yes, we do have Ben with Duck Hill Sawmill, Duck Hill Workshop out again. Saw that in that last video that we had a wood miser over there. We've gotten a little bit further here. We have put up our sawmill shed and we've put our wood miser underneath the sawmill shed, but I still have an order that I need to get ready for the brewery up in Burnsville. So we're gonna be knocking out some of this elm here, and it's kind of cool. This came from a friend, and it's also a friend of the bar owner or brewery owner. We're gonna be milling up this and making some 1x6s that are gonna go on the base of the bar. So this is actually gonna be pretty cool. We'll finish getting everything set up and then we'll start milling away. I'm not sure we could have asked for a nicer day today. I mean, absolutely perfect. What was it, like 40 degrees? No, actually froze last night.
It did. Frost warning.
Frost warnings last night, into the 50s right now, sun. It could stay like this forever.
It'll be okay.
Yes. So, as I said earlier, Timber King, the Duck Hill, made it back to the log yard here another time. I am not going to say it's the last time because this is just too much fun.
You got too many big logs.
I got too many big logs, and I still have too much work over there to even think about it. But we did get our 1x6 cut, approximately 300 square feet, something like that, and all the trim off for charcuterie board stock. How many hours does the Timber King have on now?
280, I bet now.
Getting close to 300. Starting to get broke in.
Just a little bit.
Agronomic step there. All right.
Should have seen the log I dropped on it.
At least you didn't drop a log on your 500i. Matthew, silly boy. All right. Don't know what else, but thanks for watching today. milling up some elm wood for the brewery. We'll find a link, you know, there'll be a whole video possibly about when I finally install and when I finally get Ben to help me install, because I don't know what I'm doing. He did a walnut bar top that turned out pretty nice. So as usual, you'll get a YouTube video on that like in 4 years.
My bar top?
Yeah.
I never shot anything.
You didn't shoot anything there. So you're gonna have to find Duck Hill Workshop, not the Sawmill, Workshop on Instagram. Check out a couple photos there and you will love it. It's very, very nice. I think that's it.
Cool. Bye.
Bye-bye.